Now, coming back, here shows our accessories. This is a small window. We can add this small window on the rolling shutter doors. And here shows the different sizes and the rollers. This is a nylon roller and this is a steel roller. This is a cable device. This is a hinge for the aluminum single sheet door. Here shows the hinge for our American door, garage doors. Here shows the adjustable hinges. This is really for the industrial doors. This is the side bracket and the middle bracket. This is a PVC handle. The side seals. The bottom seal. This is the cable drum. This one usually used for the garage doors. And this one is for industrial door. When the lifting weight of door is the high lifting. This is also for the industrial door. When your door is the vertical lifting. Here shows the tracks and the airframes. This is the K-lift. This is the shaft coupler.